Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. The OnePlus Watch 3 steps in as a sleek, performance-focused smartwatch, blending a refined design with upgraded health tracking, faster performance, and smarter software. It's built to deliver smooth, everyday use, reliable fitness insights, and the polished feel OnePlus wearables are known for. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the watch body and strap, charging base with USB-C charging cable, quick start guide and safety guide, technical specifications. The OnePlus Watch 3 brings a premium build with its stainless steel or titanium alloy bezel, sapphire crystal glass, and a comfortable fluoroelastomer or silicone strap. Up front, the 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED always-on display hits an incredible 2200 nits for clear outdoor visibility. Its durable 46.6mm case houses a dual-engine system powered by the Snapdragon W5 and the BES2800 coprocessor, backed by 32 gigs of storage and 2 gigs of RAM. You get a full suite of sensors: heart rate, SpO2, wrist temperature, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, and ambient light, fueling continuous health tracking, sleep insights, stress monitoring, temperature trends, and a one-tap health check-in. It's tough too, with 5 ATM and IP68 protection plus ILST D810H durability. Battery life reaches up to 5 days in smart mode and 16 in power saver. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC payments, and dual-band L1/L5 GNSS. Navigation feels smooth with the touchscreen, rotating crown, and side button. And it even supports vibration alerts and Bluetooth calling. Running Wear OS 5, it offers Google Apps, third-party apps, maps, fitness tools, customizable faces, and smart notifications, wrapped in a sleek design available in obsidian titanium and emerald titanium. Product features. The OnePlus Watch 3 combines a stainless steel or titanium alloy bezel with sapphire crystal glass, paired with a premium fluoroelastomer or silicone strap. Rated 5 ATM and IP68 for water and dust resistance, and meeting MILST D810H standards, it's built to handle both everyday wear and outdoor adventures. Stay on top of your health with continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, wrist temperature measurement, stress tracking, sleep insights, and a one-tap full health check-in. These sensors provide a complete picture of your wellness, helping you maintain a balanced lifestyle. Track over 100 workouts with precision, from running, cycling, and swimming to yoga and HIIT. Advanced metrics, real-time stats, automatic activity detection, and customizable workout views make every session smarter and more efficient. Powered by a dual-engine setup with the Snapdragon W5 and BES2800 coprocessor, the OnePlus Watch 3 offers smooth performance and reliable functionality. Battery life lasts up to 5 days in smart mode and up to 16 days in power saver mode, keeping you active without frequent recharging. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The smartwatch uses 2 main controls: the crown at the top for scrolling, navigating menus, selecting items, opening the app list with a tap, switching apps with a double tap, and launching Google Assistant by holding it. Below it, the lower button gives quick access to shortcuts: tap for workouts, double tap for Google Wallet, and hold for the power menu. On the back, you get easy strap release points, a central optical health sensor for continuous tracking, and charging connectors at the bottom for fast charging. The smartwatch's side controls include the top crown button, which lets you tap to open the app list or return home, double tap to switch to your last app, and hold for 1 second to launch Google Assistant. Below it, the lower button gives quick access with a tap for workouts, a double tap for Google Wallet, and a 3-second hold to power on the watch, or open the power menu. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick release pin and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the pin, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit, so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. To pair the OnePlus Watch 3, start by fully charging and powering it on by holding the side button until the logo appears. On your phone, enable Bluetooth. Then install and open the OnePlus Health app or Wear OS app, depending on your region. In the app, select the option to add or pair a new device and let it scan for nearby watches. When OnePlus Watch 3 appears, tap it and confirm the pairing code shown on both the watch and phone. Follow the prompts to finish setup, including permissions and basic preferences, and your watch will be successfully paired. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the crown until the watch powers off. Continue holding until it enters the boot menu. Use the crown to scroll through the menu. Highlight Recovery Mode and press the crown to select. Scroll to wipe data or factory reset. Press the crown to confirm and select Yes to complete the reset. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting the watch will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the OnePlus Health app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. When it comes to materials and build, the OnePlus Watch 3 features a titanium bezel with a stainless steel case and sapphire crystal front, offering durability with EMMI LSTD 810 certification and IP68 water and dust resistance. The Galaxy Watch 8 uses armor aluminum with sapphire crystal, also meeting MILSTD 810 standards and 5 ATM water resistance. Both are rugged, but OnePlus leans slightly more premium. Moving to display and sizes, the OnePlus Watch 3 offers a 46mm model with a 1.5-inch LTPO AMO LED display and around 2,200 nits peak brightness. The Galaxy Watch 8 comes in 40 or 44 millimeter sizes, with Super AMOLED displays reaching up to 3,000 nits. While Watch 8 provides higher brightness and more size options, the larger screen of Watch 3 is easier to read during workouts or notifications. For battery and storage, the OnePlus Watch 3 packs a 631 mAh battery, allowing multiple days of use on a single charge. While the Galaxy Watch 8 has a smaller 325 to 435 mAh battery, lasting roughly 40 hours. Both watches offer 32 gigabytes of storage. OnePlus clearly wins on endurance. Pros and cons. The OnePlus Watch 3 delivers exceptional multi-day battery life, up to 5 days, a premium titanium build, and accurate health tracking with full Wear OS integration. The main drawbacks include a bulky design, the absence of LTE connectivity, and disabled ECG functionality in the US and Canada. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.